Hello and a happy Tuesday afternoon to you. This is First Alert Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Russ Thomas. Some good news. I want to say this right away. We had a First Alert weather day for our Tuesday. However, as we move into the evening and overnight hours, looks like the opportunity for storms it has pushed off to south of our region, so we dropped that. However, for Wednesday into Thursday morning, we still have First Alert weather days in place because of the fact that we have much cooler air moving in and a chance for frost for quite a few locations in our region as we head into your Thursday morning. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. I'll pop up full screen here. The graphic, you can see that opportunity there for marginal thunderstorms has really pushed south out of our region. Still could see a couple thunderstorms. Very low chance here and there as we head to the afternoon, early evening hours. But by and large, I think we are clear of any big concerns there. So what we're going to do, we'll take a look at our satellite and radar and kind of give you an idea. We have a couple showers northwest portions of the viewing area, northeast North Dakota. But again, you look at northwest Minnesota, yes, a lot of cloud cover, but no two showers. We push farther south. We were watching an area of storms that did move through portions of the region's southernmost areas, Grant, Roberts, Douglas counties. But those have moved off to the south, and it's expected no more development certainly in our region. So again, we start to make that transition into our next weather maker, and that would be that much cooler air moving and also very windy on Wednesday through Wednesday night. Thus, we have that First Alert weather day again, colder and blustery for tomorrow, that chance for frost on Thursday morning. Let's start off with our air mass forecast. We're starting again this morning, move into the afternoon hours and evening. Notice you start to see those shades of blue, green, and that indicates that colder air mass working its way into the region from the north. We're going to go ahead and jump ahead to Tuesday afternoon. You see the color difference there. That indicates the fact that we have that cooler air. And again, quickly moving into our region. So you're really going to notice the difference from even what we have now to what we have tomorrow. Notice this cooler air sticks around. You can see kind of wrapping around a low. So we get to Thursday afternoon, still on the cool side. Heading to Friday, still on the cool side out there. In fact, a little bit of a reinforcement on Friday, even into Saturday morning before we start to warm things up again by the time we get into your Sunday afternoon. And we'll continue to see warmer temperatures as we head into next week. Morning lows, mid-40s, upper 40s across most of the region. So tomorrow morning, definitely going to be cool out there. Won't be quite windy yet. It's mid-late morning and afternoon where those winds from the north really start to pick up. We're going to see wind gusts in excess of 25 to even 30 miles per hour in some areas. And you factor that in with those temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the mid-50s to upper 50s, a couple low 60s out there. What that means is you take those numbers, it's actually going to feel a little bit cooler than that. I would say jacket weather for those kids heading out tomorrow, heading out the door, especially the young ones there. Make sure they have at least a light jacket or heavy sweatshirt because, again, it is going to be chilly, certainly compared to what we have seen recently. Let's take a look at our regional forecast. Now, this is for Thursday morning. We've mentioned that opportunity for a little bit of frost out there in some areas. One thing we're going to see in northeast North Dakota is some clouds moving in. I think that's going to inhibit those temperatures from dropping off into the 30s. So again, less of a concern for frost as we look at northeast North Dakota because of those clouds. Now, we work our way farther northwest Minnesota. Again, I still think we're going to see a little bit of clearing out there, allowing those numbers to drop down to the mid-30s. Areas like Roseau, Bemidji, Bagley, Mahnomen as well, looking at mid-30s. So again, that opportunity for frost is going to be there in those locations. We're looking at upper 30s, low 40s in southeast North Dakota and Lakes Country. So again, whether we get that frost or not, I think a few areas will, especially northwest Minnesota. But overall, we're just going to be very cool, chilly on our Thursday morning. I want to take a break here because we've been talking about, of course, those temperatures. We're also going to be dealing with some near-surface smoke. We're going to jump from our Tuesday night even into early Wednesday morning. So again, around midnight tonight, we start to see some of those yellows out there, some of those orange colors. That indicates we're seeing smoke picking back up across the region, of course, meaning poor air quality in some areas. Most of it, or at least the thickest smoke, looks like it's going to stay in eastern North Dakota and up and down the Red River Valley as we jump from tomorrow morning to tomorrow afternoon. Notice the focal point. The worst of the smoke actually begins heading south out of our region. And in fact, you look at our northern areas, we're starting to clear out. So the window for smoke, at least it getting a little bit thicker, is going to be this evening through about midday tomorrow. Then we'll start to clear things out. And again, the focal point of the thickest smoke is going to be eastern North Dakota and then in the southern Red River Valley. Let's take a quick look Thursday morning through Friday night. opportunities for rain showers back in the forecast for Thursday. No storms expected. Generally what we're seeing here is light, widespread showers. Keep in mind, those temperatures are going to be cool. Winds are still picking up out of the north. So again, good deal of cloud cover Thursday. You're definitely going to feel that. So it's not just a Wednesday event where we're going to really cool things off. It's going to persist into Thursday, Friday, even into the weekend. Let's take a look what we've got for you. Fargo Planner, here are your temperatures again for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 62, light showers on Thursday, 60 on Friday, partly cloudy, northwest winds 17 miles per hour, back up to 64 on Saturday, so a very fall feel as we head to your Thursday through Saturday. We'll start to warm things up on Sunday. For Grand Forks, we take a look here. We've got Thursday. Check out this temperature. We've got 51 degrees with a chance of showers. Just going to feel, again, very fall-like out there on Thursday, more like mid-fall. On Friday, we'll get some sunshine back up to 61 and 62 on Saturday. So, yes, a big change out there as we jump to Wednesday through about Saturday temperature-wise. Tomorrow, we've got those winds as well. Thursday, that chance for light rain. Once we get to the weekend, a lot of sunshine. We'll start to warm things back in the 70s on Sunday. And we're back in the mid-70s for most areas throughout next week with sunny conditions. So again, we've got this little window here, another taste of fall before we head back into temperatures in the 70s for Sunday and next week. Hope you have a wonderful evening.